everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads responses to Google Sheets automatically. Let's suppose I am running a digital marketing agency and I am collecting all my leads with the help of Facebook lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead in Facebook lead ads, automatically the lead details should be added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time. So I've completely automated this process, and to this automation I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in Facebook lead ads, automatically these details will be added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to create an amazing automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect, where I'm going to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets in such a manner that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my Facebook leads, automatically that lead detail will be added to my Google Sheets. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join the Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on new feature and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'm going to click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now, if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and over here I need to select the workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have the classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I need to name this workflow. Now here, let's name this workflow as add Facebook lead ads responses to Google Sheets automatically, and then I need to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as Facebook lead automations and then click on create. So here you will see workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add my Facebook lead ads, which means the Facebook leads which I'm receiving from my Facebook lead ads, to my Google Sheets automatically, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my Facebook, automatically that lead detail will be added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in this Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered. Because trigger is basically an event which starts or triggers any workflow. So here I hope this is clear to you. I'm going to add my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, and then I'm going to take my action application as Google Sheets. So I'm going to add all the lead details from Facebook lead ads to my Google Sheets. So I'm quickly going to take my trigger application as Facebook leads. And then in my trigger application, I'm going to select it as new lead instant and then simply click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and now to make this connection, we have to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I have already logged in my Facebook account and it is asking me whether I want to continue with this account. So I'm going to select it as continue as Jessie. It is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. And here you will see connection created successful, which means Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the page name and the lead gen form. So over here you can see all the pages which I have created in this Facebook account. I'm going to open my Facebook account, and this is the particular page which I have created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I will be running all my advertisements with the help of this page. So I'm going to select the same page name, which is Digital Dynamics, and in this lead gen form you can see all the forms which has been created in this page, under this page Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to get this lead gen form, and to get this we have to visit Meta for Developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. Now on the top you can see all these options. We have to go towards the resources and then simply click on this developer tool. If you scroll down further, you will be able to find this lead ads RTO debug tool. We have to open this, and then this lead ads testing tool will appear in front of you. Now here you have to search for the page. The name of our page was Digital Dynamics, so we are going to select the same page. You can see all the forms which have been created. I'm going to select it as DD lead form. You can see all the fields which this form have: first name, email address, last name and phone number. So I'm going to select this DD lead form, and I will go back towards my workflow, and from this lead gen form I'm going to refresh this once, and over here this is the form DD lead form which I have selected. Now I'm going to click on the save and send test request after selecting the page name and the lead gen form. You can see it has changed to this waiting for webhook response. This means I have to do the test submission so as to get the webhook response over here, and this is going to show me the connection setup which we have created is working fine or not. So for that I'm going to open this lead ads testing tool, and then I'm going to do this form submission. But before submitting any form, we have to make sure that we first delete this lead, and then we have to make sure that we refresh this page once. And after all this, we have to select the page and the form again. I will be doing this form submission, and I should receive this response in my workflow. So I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics and my form as DD lead form, and now I'm going to click on this preview form. This form has appeared in front of me where I need to enter all these details. So I'll be entering some dummy details in all these fields. I have entered my first name as new, and then I'm going to enter my email address as new@pablitudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my last name as user, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as this one. I'm simply going to click on this continue and then click on this submit. And as soon as this form has been submitted, here the form submission has been done, I should receive all these details in my workflow. So if I open my workflow, here we can see that just 5 seconds ago we have captured this response A, and you can see these are the same details which we have just filled. So here the phone number was this, the name was new user, and the email address was new@pablitudes.com. So this shows the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ads, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead in my Facebook lead ads, I want to add the lead detail to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So then in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and I'm going to click on this plus sign where it is written add new action step. So I'm going to search for my action application, which is Google Sheets. And in my action event, I'm simply going to select it as add new row and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Here you need to choose your Google account. with which you have logged in your Google Sheets, and after choosing that account, you simply need to grant away the permission for which you need to click on allow. Your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, so you can do this. Now you can see the Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect and I have to enter all these details. If I click on the spreadsheet, you can see in this drop down all the sheets which I have created, the spreadsheets which I have created, and I have created a spreadsheet by the name Facebook Leads Details. So I'll be selecting the same spreadsheet which is Facebook Leads Details. You can see it has automatically detected the sheet which is sheet number 1, and then I'm going to enter all these details. You can see we have this first name, last name, email and phone, and then in the spreadsheet also we have all these fields. So over here I'm quickly going to enter all these details, but over here I'm not going to enter any of these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from Facebook lead ads, and when I click on this field, I can see this Facebook lead ads. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter the first name, which is new, and then I'm going to enter the last name, which is user, and then I'm going to enter the email address, which is new@pabblytudes.com, and then the phone number is this. After entering all these details, I simply need to click on the save and send test request, and here we have received the response. Now I'm quickly going to open my Google Sheets spreadsheet and check whether all these details are added in my spreadsheet there or not. And here it is. We have automatically added all the details. The name was new user, email address was new@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number was this. So now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We have made the connection with the page and then entered the lead gen form. We submitted the form, received the response, and then we wanted to add all the lead details to Google Sheets spreadsheet. So in my action application, I took Google Sheets, made connection with Pabbly Connect, and entered all the details. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.